When it comes to installing air conditioning in your home, a lot of people don't realize they have a number of different options that they can choose from. For example, in addition to the standard central air conditioning system, one alternative that has been gaining in popularity over recent years is the ductless AC system. It's convenient, sure, but should you choose it over central air conditioning system? Keep watching to find out. Central AC systems. There are some pretty big reasons why you might want to choose a central AC system. For instance, if your home already has a duct system, it's a lot easier and more affordable to just hook up a central system. If you live in a particularly humid area, a central AC system will generally work better to control the humidity. On that note, central AC systems are better for airflow. A central AC system is a forced air system, which means that air will continuously flow throughout your home. Ductless AC systems. Central AC systems definitely have their perks, but ductless systems could be a better choice, especially if you live in a building that doesn't have space in the walls or ceilings to build a duct system. Likewise, if you're looking to add on to your home and build another room, a ductless AC system may be more affordable than adding on to your existing duct system. One of the problems that forced air systems are known for is an accumulation of dust in the ducts, which is then spread throughout the home. With a ductless AC system, less dust will be introduced to the rooms within your home. Finally, if you go ductless, you'll have the ability to control the temperature of each room individually. The verdict. As you can see, one type of AC system isn't necessarily better than the other. It's all going to come down to three key factors: space, budget, and airflow. Central AC systems are certainly better at keeping a home cooler. However, ductless systems are more affordable, easier to install, and tend to be a better option for those with allergies. So, what do you think? Which AC system are you going to choose? Whether you're still having trouble choosing or you're ready to install today, let us know. Get in touch today and let's help keep you and your family cool. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.